here at Waddell this morning. Get a 3D range. I like that. The target archery range. Go back and catch the comite, see what it looks like. I think either this weekend or next weekend they're gonna have the Louisiana Wildlife and Fishery Day out here. That looks like it's gonna be fun. Maybe the weather be cooler. Today is gonna get my time of the year is almost here. There's a big old banana spider. Oh, that's a big one. I used to hate running in the nest of banana spiders, man, when I was squirrel hunting, running through the trees chasing squirrels. I think it's got a hell of a sting. Got my boots. Got my boots with me. I can't really wear my boots and walk a good distance because I lift weights, right? And my calves are a lot bigger than my ankles. And I get at the middle of my calf rubs on the boot. And man, it'll look like a 5-mile blister, man. Just in a matter of minutes. I wear blue jeans and that helps a little bit, but it still does it. Beautiful morning, the sun's out, birds are chirping. Still a little bit on the cool side. I haven't got buzzed by a mosquito yet. Hopefully they mowed back here. Man, there's a deer. Yep, I don't know if you saw him. It was a white-tailed buck. Wow, that's a pretty sight, the way the sunbeams are coming down. That's pretty. That is pretty. River's a little high, but not too terribly bad. Some deep spots, that's good. Got my shoes here. Not bad, but it's still higher than I comfortably feel fishing most of the time. Because if you hit a sinkhole and you're already in deep water, you're definitely going under. Someone hit it right there. I saw it. I saw it when it swam up to hit it. Got a lot of debris over there. There's a limb brim there. Gotta be a little spotted bass over there somewhere. Nighttime they just lay in and wait. That was a bump. Something bumped it. Didn't bring the fly rod today. I just wasn't in a fly fishing mood. So I'm chasing those minnows. The hell is all this water coming from though? We didn't get that much rain. Must be coming from Mississippi or something. Come on, little spotted bass. I know you're in here. I can't believe it's not knowing there by that tree. That's... oh, shit. Some just hit the surface right there. I don't know what it was. That was definitely a fish. Come on. Might try a different color. Got a crawfish color on there. Come on, little boogers. I know you're in here. You know, our scenic rivers is a gift here in Louisiana. And, you know, we don't have enough access points. You watch this video, you need to write your governor, your legislators for Louisiana, and we need more access. The money they spend on other stuff, they could build access here. Fishing is one of our primary things here in Louisiana that pulls people to our state. And I don't understand why we don't have more access points. There's a lot of flooded land they can get for cheap. Come on, you little boogers. Oh shit. Huh. Oh, dodge. You ever caught a fish by getting stuck on it, going over a tree branch and just letting it jiggle in the water? I have. I caught many fish doing that. Well, they being something this morning. When the water's a little high like this, it's hard to find the holes though. They gotta be here though. Usually they're right up on the shore too. Come on, you boogers. I know you're here. You can't fool Uncle Terry. Water really needs to be about another 1.5 feet lower. It's a pretty creek, I admit that too. Yeah, there should be bluegills up in that, man. I don't know what the deal is. Our scenic rivers, it's a hit or miss fishing them. You watch out for snakes. Snakes. Coon come flying out his log. There should be something up in here. Something. Something. That was a sinkhole. I was going down for a second. That's why I won't traverse any farther down the river. It's too dangerous. realized I was right on top of the edge of this hole. Here I am. Right there. So should be a fish right there. Right there in that deep spot. Water's not cold or anything. I'm not sure what the deal is. I ain't sure what the deal is. Being honest, I've never caught too much fish in the comite section back here on Waddell. I don't think it's overfished. I just, for some reason, there's not many fish back here. They back here though. I've caught them. I got nibbles today. I just ain't hooked no fish. They just don't seem like they don't like they want to bite on this beetle spin. Probably would have caught some if I brought my fly rod, but you know. A pretty place to stealth camp back here. If you don't get caught by a game warden.